Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Once your system is updated, you need to run the following command to install the Spyder. Next, just wait when the installation will be finished, and after that you can go into your desktop and find there the Spyder icon or by application menu. The Spyder interface will be launched. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in the comments.